Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're playing Borderlands 4 and see the error, an Unreal process has crashed, low level, fatal error, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. This error is usually caused by outdated GPU drivers. Here's how to update them. First, open the search bar on your PC and type Device Manager. Click on it, then go to Display Adapters. Expand the list, right-click your graphics driver, and click Update Driver and search automatically for driver. This will let you update your graphics card drivers directly. Next, you'll need to install your graphics card's official software. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, download and install the NVIDIA app. If you have an AMD GPU, download and install the AMD Adrenalin Edition software. Just visit your GPU's website, click on the download link and install the software. Once installed, your drivers will be fully updated, and this should fix the crashing issue in Borderlands 4. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.